Today, we're going to learn about Newton's 3 laws of motion, the fundamental rules that explain how and why objects move. Newton's first law, the law of inertia. An object will stay at rest or continue moving in a straight line at the same speed unless an outside force acts on it. For example, if you slide a book across a table, it will slow down and stop because of friction. Without friction, it would keep sliding forever. This law explains why we wear seatbelts. Your body wants to keep moving forward when the car suddenly stops. Newton's second law, the law of force and acceleration. The acceleration of an object depends on 2 things, the net force acting on it and its mass. In simple terms, force equals mass times acceleration. That means, if you push a light shopping cart, it moves faster than a heavy one when the same force is applied. The bigger the force, the bigger the acceleration. The bigger the mass, the harder it is to accelerate. Newton's third law, the law of action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If you push against a wall, the wall pushes back on you with the same force. When a rocket launches, the gas is pushed down, and the rocket is pushed up. When you jump, your legs push on the ground, and the ground pushes you upward.